Our project today is using the Daisy Delight and the coordinating punch. And the Stamparatus. And a piece of Whisper White cardstock. Details in the description box below. Punching out 2 of the daisies using a piece of copy paper or something that's fairly thin. We're going to use these for our masks. Taking a tiny bit of snail on the centre of each one of the stamped daisies and using our fingers to slightly de-tack it because we don't want it to stick too much. We're then going to use the daisy stamp and position this in the top, just slightly off centre. Picking it up and inking it with the Blackberry Bliss. Going to stamp the image at the top. Clean off carefully as it is a very dark colour. And dry with a soft cloth. Position at the bottom and stamp again in the Blackberry Bliss. Taking the masks, we're going to carefully cover the stamped image. Securing it in the centre. Now taking the berry burst and from the sheltering tree, You Warm My Heart sentiment, we're going to position this diagonally from the top of the card in the centre. The Stamparatus is perfect. As you can use the hinge step. So taking it down 1 step, stamp again and continue in the same manner to the bottom. Taking the image again and lining up in between the first stamped images, picking it up again and using the hinge step technique, ink up again, take the hinge 90 degrees down 1 step and repeat the process to the bottom of the card. Carefully removing our mask, we reveal the daisy stamped image and the words behind. Using our aqua painter and the berry burst, we're going to colour each one of the petals. For the centre, I chose Smoky Slate as a lovely neutral tone to allow the other 2 colours to pop. I also did this card in Calypso Coral and Lemon Lime Twist, and the centres this time I heat embossed in gold. You could also use our clear faceted gems, which are perfect for centerpieces also. Thank you so much for watching me, and I look forward to seeing you again. All details below in the description box. Thank you. Bye bye.